Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Just a reminder that this video is just strictly for education purposes. It is in any form or shape financial advice. So in today's video is a little different than what I've usually put out there. So this is more of a instructional video. Basically what I'm going to show you is all the profits that I show on my channel. I'm going to show you how I transfer my profits over to my bank account. So one of my strategies, you can see there on the screen, allows me the ability to, just gain modest profit conservatively. I have strict ruls. Some of my indicators I've developed myself and others, they come from my trading platform, and they're also publicly available on all trading platform. And yes, profits that I make from futures, or anybody who makes profit, those profits are taxable. In the US, capital gains on future follows a 60-40 rule. 60% of the gains are taxed at a long-term capital gain rate and 40% on the short-term rate. I usually report my gains, like most people should do, is report their capital gains and losses on the IRS form 6781. Also, I also offset my losses with other investment to reduce my capital from future trading. Some losses can also be completely offset, and excess losses can be carried forward to future years. So I can't avoid capital gains tax completely. I can reduce them. The best way is trading within a retirement account that allows the gain and profit to be tax deferred. This means they're not taxable until I withdraw the funds after retiring, at which point I'll probably likely be in the lower tax bracket. So let me go ahead and show you the steps that I take to withdraw the funds. So I'm going to go into my trading account, and so let me go ahead and log in, and here I'm going to type in my username and then my password. Then we're going to click login. So this is my live account. I can switch between live and sim, but because I'm showing you how to withdraw funds, I'll leave it on the live account. I selected transfer on the left side, and it gets to this screen here. Next, you want to choose the withdrawal option. Next, choose the account that you want the funds to go to. Next, you enter the dollar amount you want to withdraw. And then below, you go ahead and click on confirm and transfer, and that's basically it. So again, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video.